Hey, what's up traders, my name is George and welcome to another video. Let's dive straight in, and the question is, can you make a living trading Forex? And the short answer for this question is yes. Forex is the largest financial market in the world with a daily volume exceeding 5 trillion US dollars a day. So there are plenty of money for everyone, but that doesn't mean that you can just go online and start making money with a few clicks. Easiest way to find out is to ask yourself these 4 questions before going trading full time. And the question number 1 is, do you have enough savings? Trading full time most likely means that you will be quitting your job, so your primary source of income will be depending from your trading. And there is no guarantee that you will be making enough money to support your monthly expenses. So you need to make sure that you have enough savings to support yourself for the next 3 to 6 months. Ideally, the longer is the better, because from a psychological point of view, you will be better off having enough money to, let's say, support yourself for the 6 months and not to worry if you're gonna make money from trading this month or not, because you have financial backing to help you with your expenses. Question number 2, is trading your passion? If you hate the work you do, you will not perform well in any type of work. Unless you love trading, you won't have the interest and inspiration to continue as a full-time trader. Is the trading what you really want to do, or are you doing it because you think this is the quick way to riches? Question number 3 is, do you have enough trading capital? Side of your savings, how much capital can you put on your trading account? And as you're thinking going trading full-time, you need to calculate how much is your monthly expenses, and if your capital is big enough to generate enough profits from trading to support your lifestyle. And question number 4 is, have you spent considerable amount of time trading live? Just like any other profession, when first starting up, you will be trained for a period of time. So if you've been trading Forex on a demo account and you'll be making consistent profit, that does not necessarily mean that you will be showing the same results on a live account. The psychology is different when it comes to the demo account and when you're dealing with the real money. When I first started up, I also started with the demo account and traded for some time before going into a live account. So before jumping into the full-time trading and quitting your job, consider trading on a live account. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video, and until then, my friends, stay profitable.